Hi, this is Allison from East Cobb Tutoring Center, and I've got a log expression here that needs to be condensed. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the coefficients here in front of the second two terms. So I'm talking about this 3 and this 4. So we have a property of logs that says that if we have a number out in the front, like this, we can change it to be an exponent on the back. I like to call this the plog rule because it says plog. All right, so my first step is going to be to take care of that. So the first term is going to stay exactly as it says, log base 2 of a. Then I'm going to make log base 2 of b cubed minus log base 2 of c to the 4th. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to use our formulas for dealing with adding and subtracting terms. So I'm talking about this one. When we have two logs that we're adding with the same base, like this, we can, whoops, yeah, that's correct. Okay, then we can multiply their arguments, the m times the n. That is a multiplying right there. And similarly, if we are subtracting them, there should be an m in here. If we are subtracting them, then instead of multiplying, we are just going to divide their arguments. All right, let me fix this up real quick. Okay, here we go. So that'll be log of m divided by n. All right, so let's go back to the problem at hand. Let me scroll down for a little more space and get rid of this crazy line. Alrighty. All right, so I'm going to use my addition rule here. So that's going to give me log base 2 of a times b. I'll just write ab. And then this subtraction here tells me to divide, so I'm going to put that all over c. That should be b cubed, sorry, and c to the 4th. There we go. So that's my final answer. So we started with many logs and we're able to condense it down so the word log was just written one time. Now, a word of caution, this is only going to work for you if you have the same base on all of the terms. Let's do one more example. How about 3 plus 4 log base 5 of x squared. All right, so we have to condense this, and it looks like we're going to maybe not be able to because there's no log here with the 3, but take a look at the trick that I can do. I can turn this into log base 5 of 5, which is an identity, right? So one of the properties of log that we have is that if we have log base b of b, it's equal to 1. So log base 5 of 5 is 1, so I really have 3 times 1. So it's a good move to make because now the two expressions have the same base and I'll be able to continue with my properties. So now I'm going to write log base 5 of x squared to the 4th. Remember that power rule, which looks like that now. So let's simplify a little bit. I've got log base 5 of 5 cubed plus log base 5 of x to the 8th, because we're multiplying these two powers together. When you raise a power to another power, you multiply them. And then I'm going to just use my addition property and I'll be done. So I have log base 5, and let's call 5 cubed 125, times x to the 8th. And that is my final answer.